Rainbow eating for diabetes. Fruits and veggies. Imagine a world where food isn't just fuel, but also medicine. A world where choosing the right foods can help manage and even prevent disease. Well, my friends, that world exists, and it's called rainbow eating for diabetes. Rainbow eating is all about adding an array of colorful fruits and veggies to your diet. These colorful foods are packed with natural compounds called phytochemicals that have impressive health benefits. Now, when it comes to diabetes management, rainbow eating can be especially beneficial. Consuming fiber-rich fruits and veggies like leafy greens and broccoli can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, fruits and veggies with a low glycemic index, like berries and cherries, can satisfy a sweet tooth without causing blood sugar spikes. But here's the best part. Rainbow eating isn't just for those managing diabetes. It's a healthy approach to nutrition that can benefit everyone. By incorporating a variety of colorful produce into your diet, you'll not only support your body's natural functions but also enjoy some delicious and exciting meals. So, what are you waiting for? Start eating the rainbow and taste the health benefits today. Now that we understand the importance of rainbow eating, let's dive into the juicy details. Which fruits and veggies should we be incorporating into our diets? Well, the key is to think of the colors of the rainbow. First up, we have the red fruits and veggies. These include foods like tomatoes, red bell peppers, and strawberries. They are high in vitamin C and lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that can protect the body against damage from free radicals. In addition, vitamin C is essential for healthy skin, bones, and teeth. Next, we have the orange and yellow fruits and veggies. Think of carrots, sweet potatoes, and oranges. These foods are high in beta-carotene, which can improve vision and boost immune function. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, mucous membranes, and eyesight. These colorful foods are also high in vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. Let's not forget about the green leafy veggies. These include spinach, kale, and broccoli. They are high in fiber and vitamins A, C, and K, which can improve digestion and bone health. These veggies are also packed with antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Additionally, they contain chlorophyll, which can help detoxify the body and promote healthy digestion. Last but not least, we have the blue and purple fruits and veggies. Think blueberries, eggplant, and grapes. These foods are high in anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation and improve cognitive function. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that can protect the body against damage from free radicals. Additionally, these colorful foods are high in fiber and vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. In conclusion, rainbow eating for diabetes is not only delicious, but it is also an effective way to manage blood sugar levels and improve overall health. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for managing diabetes. So, let's all strive to eat the rainbow and enjoy the benefits of this tasty, colorful approach to nutrition. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and veggies into your diet, you can not only manage your diabetes but also improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching.